Welcome to the live bench evaluation of STM PMSM FOC evaluation kit. The PMSM FOC evaluation kit is a compact 6 to 45 volt motor control kit featuring the STDRIVE101 3-phase gate driver and STL90N10F7 MOSFETs, ideal for BLDC PMSM motor applications. Featuring integrated triple half-bridge gate driver and 100-volt MOSFETs. Supports up to 5 amps RMS output with selectable current sensing. ZEST and FOC algorithms. The use cases of this kit includes battery-powered robots and drones, low-voltage industrial and appliance motor drives, motor control algorithm development and education with STM32. In this motor control lab, the BG473 EZEST1S board is connected to a test motor for performance evaluation. Users can monitor and control the motor using ST's MotorPilot GUI, streamed via LiveBench. A load motor, coupled to the test motor and controlled through serial commands, allows testing under various load conditions. The board is powered by a regulated 36-volt supply. Test motor phase currents are measured using an oscilloscope and visualized in the UI. And the live thermal and setup camera feeds are provided for real-time temperature and system monitoring. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the live bench evaluation. And this section on the right displays the evaluation output. The test motor is controlled using ST's MotorPilot GUI. Click Connect to begin the evaluation. Once connected, the MotorPilot GUI will display live motor speed and other configuration details. Set the desired motor speed and click Start to run the motor. The live RPM can be monitored from the RPM display. To apply load to the test motor, activate the coupled load motor. Go to the Load Percentage menu, select the desired load level, and click Turn on Load to start the load motor. The load motor can also be controlled via the UART-based CLI console. Type Help to view the list of available commands and use the appropriate commands to configure and start the load motor. The same command list is available under the hex command section in the input area. For detailed command descriptions, refer to the document viewer section. Once the load motor is started, variations in the test motor's phase currents can be observed via the oscilloscope stream or the phase current test motor tile in LiveBench. This helps verify current behavior under different load conditions. ST's MotorPilot GUI also provides live phase current data. To access it, go to the Graph and Record section and click the Graph button. In the graph view, right-click and add the desired parameters, such as motor phase currents, for real-time monitoring. Use ST's graph controls as needed for real-time analysis. For detailed evaluation, you can download the graph data in CSV format using the Download Graph option in LiveBench. The MotorPilot GUI shows essential parameters like temperature and input voltage. A more detailed view of these are available directly within LiveBench. For example, to view the live thermal profile of the board, switch to the Thermal Plot section. It shows the temperature distribution across the entire board. Hover your mouse over any specific area to see the real-time temperature reading. Similarly, the input power supply tile displays live input voltage and current values in real time. Click on the What's This section for more information. The Progress Log window provides real-time updates, keeping users informed about all events in chronological order. This ensures complete visibility into the evaluation process. See the lab in action with live video, streaming the entire lab setup in real time so you never miss a detail. Need extra guidance? Activate Assist Me mode for step-by-step instructions and additional insights into the evaluation process, helping you navigate every feature with ease. Need more details? The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Curious about other live bench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Thank you and happy evaluation!